Hi, this is Chuck Dorr from Dig Garden Shop, and today we're just going to plant beautiful window boxes. So our first thing to do is get your window boxes. These Dig makes custom made because we have a customer that wanted something made for their 3 windows across to install. These people happen to like a theme of white and purple. They didn't want any yellows, any other reds, especially not red. And they just wanted these boxes to be beautiful and on the light side. I think that makes for a beautiful window box because it also looks beautiful at night. White is one of the few things in a light pink, maybe yellow, that shows up at night. So again, we've made these cedar boxes. We've sprayed these black because it's better for our customer. They like this more clean line. And when you see where we're installing these, you'll see that the black box is much better. The porousness of the cedar makes for a great surface for black spray paint. Now we've just used black spray paint other than stain because it goes faster. And so what we're going to do is do 3 boxes, and they're going to be similar because they're going to go in the same bank of windows. So I always like to think that we're going to build them in stages. This time I'm going to build 3 at a time just because so that you want a consistency in their look. We're going to go with some evergreen choices as well as annual choices. Only because in the winter you don't want your boxes to look so sad that they're just, they're sad looking and they don't have anything in them because everything has died. What we're going to do is just put a layer of potting soil, and I choose potting soil over topsoil because of its porousness. It also comes with vermiculite that you'll see like this, and you're just going to fill up a layer. So once we have that layer in there of that, we know that the ground is covered with the potting soil. We start selecting our plants. What I've got here is a blue spruce, so we're going to put 2 blue spruce in. These will remain as part of our selections of evergreen. We're also going to use a boxwood because this also makes for an evergreen selection. And we're going to anchor the whole thing in the center like this. You don't want it so rigid, but these are about the same shapes, and you'll see that the things I start to add to this it'll fill it out as we go. Again, we're just taking the caladium already bloomed out. This is a little wider than our box. We just simply smash it. So it does fit in the width of our box. Again, it goes in with our evergreen choices like so. Now, we have something that we have a height and then we go down and we go up again. So I think our next best thing is going to be this New Guinea impatient. Again, we're choosing this white one because they really want a white and purple theme. Next that'll go in next to this evergreen will be 2 of these. And the New Guinea impatiens are a fine choice this year because of the blight that we're experiencing on regular impatiens. These are a lot stronger, can also withstand more sun. And again, what we're noticing is that was a little shallow there. We're just placing it. So all of these come up to a certain height. But you don't want these plants to be at a height where they're above the box because they won't absorb the water as much. You want them to be at a nice level. You'll notice that the boxwood is below level like so that when the watering does happen from your inside of your window, you're able to keep the water and it goes into the box. Now we're adding a Euphorbia. These people asked for something that doesn't hang down for some reason. They didn't want vines that go. Flower boxes often look great because of the vines that trail down, but these people, for some reason, whatever, just didn't want a long trailing vine. So we've chosen Euphorbia, which has this great little white texture. So we're going to put these at the ends of the boxes, giving great texture on both ends, like so. I'm also going to add some Angelonia, which is just the only touch of purple that I'm adding to this box. Again, they didn't want drapey, they didn't want long vines, so this will give a great linear look here. We squeeze this in. I love to squeeze in plants so that if in a flower box, if one plant isn't doing so well, the other one takes in its space again. Again, a little bit of the Angelona, sorry. And we're going to put that on this side of the spruce. All right, As an extra, we're going to add this white begonia. I choose this one because not only is it the color, and it's our color scheme that we're going from. It's hardy, it'll go till frost, as will everything. Also, it comes in a flat, meaning they come in a smaller pot base, so that you're able to take one out, like so, and tuck it in much easier than you would a full-size 4-inch pot. You want your box to look good from the inside as well as the outside, from both sides, so when you're looking at your window box, you have something that's finished from both ends. Again, this box was just purely white and purple, and we're going to do 3 boxes very similar to this style. So thank you for watching.